If ADHD days feel like walking on eggshells, start by fixing one parent habit that quietly fuels meltdowns. That habit is rejection talk and rejection tone. Cold looks, sharp criticism, or "what is wrong with you?" Even tiny doses can spike behavior. New research with families of kids diagnosed with ADHD found that parental rejection was the strongest predictor of child difficulties. The good news? Warmth and acceptance weaken that link. Stay with me. I'll show you a simple 3-part routine to turn blow-ups into calmer moments, without giving in. Think of your voice like a thermostat. Cold tone turns the heat up. Warm and firm tone turns it down. Kids with ADHD feel that shift fast. Rejection sounds like blame, shame, or icy silence. Acceptance sounds like steady presence, clear limits, and short, kind words. In the study, anxious attachment in parents and low mindfulness led to more rejecting responses, and that rejection predicted more behavior problems. Reduce rejection, and the whole cycle eases. Here is the routine. Use it in 2 minutes or less when emotions climb. Step 1. Pause and anchor. 3 slow breaths. Shoulders down. Speak on the exhale. This is you choosing warmth and firmness on purpose. Step 2. Name and limit. Say, "You are angry. Hitting is not allowed. You can stomp on this mat or squeeze this pillow." Naming shows acceptance. The limit keeps safety. Offer 1 or 2 allowed actions. Step 3. Return to the plan. When your body is safe, we finish shoes. Then we go short, neutral, next step, no lecture. Replace these common micro-habits, eye roll or cold stare. Say instead, "Look at the blocks we can put away first," while keeping your face neutral. "Why can't you ever?" Say instead, "Here is what happens next," followed by one clear action. "You are too much." Say instead, "Your feelings are big. I am here. Hands stay safe." Coaching yourself helps. Say warm and firm silently before you speak. After the storm, do a 60-second debrief to build the habit. What triggered it? What did I say or do that felt rejecting? Which acceptance line worked? Stack tiny reps. Greet with warmth before a request. Use 1-step instructions. Praise a specific action. You put the backpack by the door. Give a touch cue before words. A gentle hand on the shoulder. Mindfulness helps parents stay accepting. Try 1 mindful minute daily. Notice breath. Notice feet. Notice sounds. Then open your eyes and speak. If you feel constantly on edge or clingy in conflict, that is anxious attachment showing up. Practicing secure habits, clear requests, shorter waits, steady tone reduces rejection spikes. Bottom line, rejection is gasoline on ADHD meltdowns. Acceptance with firm limits is the fire blanket. Change the habit and days get calmer. Warm and firm beats loud and cold. Subscribe for more science-backed parenting tools.